is nu 12:30 s'nachts, 14 maart 2010. En we gaan op aanvraag van mijn neef, gaan we even een nummer opnemen. Om weer even te kijken wat er zal uitkomen. Gewoon uit nieuwsgierigheid. Hij heet VinRock 11.
Als je het maar weet.
En ik hoop dat de fans het leuk zullen vinden. We doen dit dan ook voor de fans. Dus laat je comments achter en je reacties. En dan zien we wat eruit komt. Oké, we gaan aan de slag.
She knows I'm watching. She likes the way I stare. You say why? Tell her that it's human nature. Why does it do me that way? You say why? Tell her that it's human nature. Why does it do me that way? I like living this way. Loving this way. Looking out across the morning, the city's heart begins to beat. Reaching out, I touch her shoulder. I'm dreaming of the street. They say why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why does it do me that way? They say why? Ooh, tell her why does it do me that way? Why? Ooh, tell her. Why does it do me that way? They say, why? Ooh, tell her. Why does it do me that way? I like living this way. I like loving this way.
IMI, dat was gruwelijk.
Het zat even in het moment, dus ik hoop dat jullie ervan hebben genoten.
Kan je nog een stukje a cappella doen voor ons?
Looking out across the nighttime, city wakes a sleepless eye. Yeah, her voice shake my window. Sweet seducing sighs get me out into the nighttime. Four walls won't hold me tonight. And if this town is just an apple, then let me take a bite. If they say why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do me that way? And they say why? Give it now. Tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do me that way? I like living this way. I like loving this way.